Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a brief Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a J-hook. So we'll go ahead and open the program. Okay, we'll go ahead and create File, New Design. Make sure that the part is in inches. Change the plan view. We'll go ahead and minimize here. I'm going to drag in a drawing that I found. Let's put that in the center. Go ahead and maximize. Okay, we're basically going to draw this hook, and then we're going to sweep the part around. So we'll start with the line tool. Let's turn off the snaps. Want to click there. And go ahead and just create this whole shape. So we'll click there, and then we'll end it there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get our create rounded corners. I'm going to click there, over there, and make it a full. Okay, so this is going to be the part. Now we're going to have to come up here and do the same thing. See here, I'm going to go ahead and continue this with the line tool. Click here, click over to there. Click there, down to there, and then we'll go over to here. Okay, let's get our rounded corners. Go to there. Okay, that's that there, and then we need to round this a little bit. Let's Control plus to zoom in. Let's pan down. Go ahead and get the 3-point arch. See if we can modify it. Okay, let's get our trim away. Not crazy about this piece, these pieces here, so we'll put a new line in there. All right, to there. That still looks a little wonky. Let's get rid of that. Let's get our tangent line. Okay. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to redo this round part. I don't like it. Get the 3-point arch. We'll go from there to there. Okay, that's going to be all right. Now let's go Control minus. Get rid of this. We don't need it. Delete. Now we're going to go change the view to isometric. We're going to come down here to the 3D mode. We're going to highlight just the end of that so it glows green like that. We're going to grab a circle. Got to kind of move around to find it. Right there. Click. We're going to drag. Let's go 0.2 will be our size of the hook. Now we're going to select to click off. Going to go back to the 3D mode. We're going to select this piece here. We're going to pull. Then we're going to pull along a sweep. And we're going to click till everything is selected. And now we're going to hit this full pull. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and spin this. It's going to be our J hook. Now what we could do is select that and kind of pull it so it's not till it's close to the hook, but not inside of the hook. Let's go ahead and view this by top. All right, there's your simple J hook. What we could do to soften up things, we could go ahead and put a fillet on here so it's not so, the edges aren't so sharp. Put an 0.02 fillet, and then we'll do one here too. And simple J hook, created just with a circle and a basic sweep profile. Go to view on the top. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you got something useful out of the video. Thanks for watching.